Hi guys, this is Ed, and in this video I want to talk about a tripod that I really enjoy. Okay guys, here is the tripod that I've been using. It is a Manfrotto befree tripod. It has a fluid head, really nice for soft, easy pans, which is why I like it. Right here, the head has a nice pivot and joint mechanism, making it really easy to operate. Nice tilt motion. Everything's really smooth. I can pretty much almost do down shots. I have to just lean the tripod over more. Also has an adjustable neck. And the cool thing about this neck right here is that you have this hook where you can hook a bag to keep it stable. And this whole column comes out. So if you just wanted to use this as a run and gun makeshift selfie stick, you can. Or let's say you're at an event and you have a very limited space, this you can just hold and use it in tight spaces, which is awesome. It's got these interlocking mechanisms here, very fluid. They hold well, and they allow it to really come down low to get some really interesting angle shots. And if you want, the tripod actually can go flat on the floor. And just to talk briefly about it, this is my Canon DSLR. It is a Rebel SL2. It is a great entry-level vlogging and content creator camera. I've loved it. I've done all my videos on it. It's just awesome, and I've also done a lot of photography on it. And this is the 40mm. It's a great lens, very small, compact and flat, and I really enjoy it a lot. It takes nice pictures, very crisp and clean. And this is a recent purchase. It is the Takstar. You can probably see it, the SGC 598. And I like it a lot, and comes with a wire connection so that you can microphone wire connection so you can attach it. It comes on a shock mount, and that's it. That's what I've been using. It also has on one of the legs here a nice rubber grip that you can use as a handle if you want to just move it around. I sometimes use it as a selfie stick, and I walk around just holding it. So a closer shot of the locking mechanism. Has 3 here to extend the legs, and they're very tight and sturdy, and it takes a beating really well. This is the Manfrotto befree fluid head tripod system, and I like it. So guys, that's the tripod. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you found it helpful. If there's anything else you want to know about the tripod, my setup, my lens, anything, hit me up in the comments section, and I will see you guys in the next video. Dad out. Bye. Ooh.